See.
Where's my drink?
See, look, guys. I put it in the bag. Look at that. Why are you wearing my shoes? That's too big for you.
No.
Oh my goodness. Can you walk? Why did you wear my shoes?
Yeah.
Alright, come on.
Because I can.
Run fast. Run fast. See, she's wearing my shoes. Look at that. It's too big. Size 6. So we're going. Look at that. It's too big.
No, it's not.
Why are you wearing my shoes? Okay, get in.
Well, this one smells
This is.
good.
Can you smell this? I like this. That
Mommy,
one.
I already smelled that one.
Okay, smell that one for me.
I already did. And just broke it.
Eucalyptus spearmint. Oh, pick it up.
Mom, you broke it. Mommy, why did you break it? This one smells good.
What is it? Where did you get that?
Right there.
What's the name?
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
It's together.
Smell the lemon. I guess I want.
Wait, no, where's the
lemon.
orange? Because we have an orange one at home. It's good. I like it.
So this is my this is my favorite candle.
Nobody
So I
counts.
got 3
Nobody counts.
and then this one. Plug in.
This one's mine.
Alright, come on, let's go now. You want me to hold it?
Yeah. Because I can't even think.
Did you get her? You like the smell?
Smells like cinnamon. Can we get it, Mommy? It smells like
No, we already got 3. That's enough. Candle 3.
Mama, can we?
Tara, let's go na. Where's your arms?
I don't know. There's a hand.
So, ito yung mga nabili namin, guys. Ni Arabella. Yan siya. Tapos, may hand soap. Super bango nila. Super bango. Tapos ito. Ito. Yung ano ba, plug in sa toilet. Para mabango yung bathroom. Yan. Bumili ako nito kasi naka-seal siya, guys. Like 350. Yan siya. Yung kinuha ko, 3. Kapati na ano, 7. Kasi meron pa ako dito, nabili ko last December. Hindi ko pa siya naubos na gamit. Yan siya, guys. Tapos, bumili din ako nito. Super bango din to siya. Yan. Tapos, ito, lagayan ng candle. Yan siya. 2 lagayan ng candle. So, yan siya, guys. Tapos, bumili ako ng 3 candle na super bango. Grabe, sobrang bango niya, guys. Yan siya. Tapos Tapos mag-isa pa. Super bango. Yan siya guys. Siguro ilagay ko to sa taas. Yan. Sa guest room, nalagyan ko siya ng isang ganito. Ilagay ko to sa kwarto namin at sa kwarto ni Nimble or either sa mga bathroom. Kasi super talaga ang bango niya guys. So, yan ang mga nabili ko kahapon sa annual, semi-annual sale sa Bath and Body Works. So, yan lang guys. Kahit mahal, okay lang. Basta mabango ang bahay. So, ayan. Thanks for watching. Ayan yung nabili ko kahapon sa Bath Body Works guys. Kasi nag-semi-annual sale sila. So, yan. Lagayan ng candle. Tapos, yung mga wallflower plug-in sa bathroom. Super bango nila. At saka ito, favorite. My favorite candle. Super bango. My goodness. Super bango siya guys. Tapos, bumili ako ng lotion na ano din, same. Eucalyptus spearmint. Taka spray. Tapos, may ano tayo, may sa ano, hand soap. So, yan ang mga nabili namin kahapon, guys. So, ayan lang. Bahala, mahal. Basta, mabango ang bahay. Kasi super talaga mabango nito, guys. Saka yung mga plug-in nila, super bango. Kaya, ayun lang, guys.